Hi guys, it's embarkation day. We're just getting ready to go to the port, the Brooklyn port. We're just staying at the Hampton Inn and Suites in New Jersey overnight. So we're gonna get ready to catch our Uber and head to the port. So see you in a bit. Alright guys, MSC at the port. We're just entering the port area here. We're walking in. I'm going to show you what time it is when we get there until what time we get through security. So 9:05 we entered security. And we have to go through these lines, which aren't actually too bad. They actually go pretty quickly. And once we get through security, I will show you what to do as an Aurea passenger at the Brooklyn port and where you need to go next. So as an Aurea passenger, once you get through security, you tell them your priority booking, priority boarding, and they will send you to this line. It's a lot faster, a lot shorter. Beautiful artwork there. So that is the line you would be if you were not Aurea, this big line here. It's quite a bit longer than the priority check-in line. Once you get through, this is our special area that we sit in. It's roped off for Aurea guests only, and we are to be the ones that board after the yacht club members. So we're just sitting here waiting. We're going to start to board here now. It was about, I think it was about 10:15 when we decided we were able to start boarding. Places you can get your embarkation pictures done on the way to the boarding the ship. Sign everyone was laughing at. Leaving Brooklyn, forget about it. Walking up onto the ship was a bit surreal. Looks a lot bigger once you get closer to it. This is our last time that we had to scan our boarding pass as we enter the ship on deck 5 in the atrium level, as you'll see in just a moment. First few seconds of our first few views of the ship. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. This is the guest services desk. I can help you with pretty much anything. And then over here is your excursions desk. So if you haven't already booked your excursion or you have questions, you can go there. This is the dome. It's a beautiful area. They have shows up there every night, different time, different types of shows. Beautiful artwork all around. This is where all the shops are going to be on deck 6. You're going to have the little shops, your Ola Tacos, your Jean-Philippe, crepes, and gelato. There's also going to be those boards that you can book your reservations on. So here we are sailing away from Brooklyn, New York, and we're setting sail for our cruise to the Bahamas on MSC Cruises. I'll see you guys again soon.